In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Z-index in ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. If you've ever wrestled with drop-downs slipping under hero banners or buttons that won't click because another layer is on top, you know how fast layout work can become a headache. Guessing Z-index values isn't just unreliable, it can wreck entire canvases. Instead, treat ChatGPT like your front-end architecture co-pilot. We'll set up a clean workspace, audit stacking context with precision, use visual scans to pinpoint overlaps, scaffold a scalable Z-index system, and validate everything in a live preview before you ship. Start by creating an isolated layout sandbox. Open the left activity bar, go to the Projects tab, and choose Create New Project. Give it a clear title like 2026 UI Component Layering. This locks your context, keeps snippets organized, and prevents unrelated chats from polluting your architecture decisions. A dedicated project also makes it easier to reference prior code blocks and iterate safely. With the sandbox ready, run a high-yield stacking context audit. Don't just say fix my Z-index. Z-index only works inside the right stacking context, and properties like position, transform, filter, and opacity can silently create new ones. Switch the model to thinking mode for deeper reasoning, paste your minimal reproducible HTML and CSS, and use a precise directive. Act as a principal front-end software engineer and CSS architect. Task: diagnose why my drop-down menu element is rendering underneath my hero image container block. Constraints: audit the active CSS stacking context variables. Check for non-static positioning rules, transform filters, or opacity properties that are generating hidden layer wrappers. Output the complete technical teardown into a clean markdown table with columns for element ID, current stacking level, and suggested remediation. This forces a structured root cause analysis instead of guesswork. If the UI is complex, add a multimodal vision check. Click the paperclip or upload asset icon, drop in a screenshot of the broken interface, and follow with review the overlapping layers highlighted in this uploaded interface screenshot scan. Identify the visual depth discrepancies, match them against modern layout rules, and output a clean, copyable CSS style sheet patch block to separate the elements perfectly. You'll get a concise patch mapped to what you're seeing on screen. Next, standardize your layering scale. Act as an enterprise UI design systems engineer. Generate a standardized, structured CSS custom property matrix utilizing utility token values such as var, zmodal, var, zdropdown, and var, zsticky to manage our application's visual layout layers. Restrict the architecture to clean increments, add clear component use case comments, and output everything into an isolated, copyable code cell. This replaces random 9,999 values with a maintainable token system. Finally, validate in an inline sandbox. Toggle interactive code. Sandbox or live preview. Interact with components and ensure hover, focus, and open states layer correctly. When it's solid, use copy or commit to bring the verified style sheet into your local project and save the workspace. Handing stack diagnostics and systemized Z-index strategy to ChatGPT lets you focus on building beautiful, responsive interfaces with pixel-perfect confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.